we have a ano that we call name drop. Okay, I
Okay,
will
what
drop
do
a
I do
name and then you say what's on your mind.
Okay.
You know, so quickly para ano. Okay, we start off with Ombudsman Boying Remulla.
Matapang. Mga ganon?
Yan, oh.
O, matapang.
Matapang. Senator Ping Lacson.
Matapang din.
Matapang din. Okay. Senator Bam Aquino.
Technocrat.
Technocrat. SP Tito Soto.
Wise man yan.
Rep Kiko Barzaga.
Meow, meow.
Okay. Parang default yata yung kay Kiko eh, no? Okay. Rep Eli San Fernando.
Gusto ko yan. May ano yan. Future.
Yeah, okay, the future, ha? Okay. Rep Sandro Marcos.
Ano pa yan? Sandpaper pa.
Sandpaper pa, kailangan
Masyado siyang privilege eh. He's very privileged. He has to be sandpapered so that the best will come out.
Okay.
If he's not sandpapered, then
So he's a diamond in the rough.
he's a diamond in the rough.
Okay. John Vic Remulla.
Maraming pangako.
VP.
Ay, mag-governor siya. Hindi natatakbo yan.
Talaga.
Hindi tatakbo yan. You know why?
Hindi natuloy ang
Wala na
presidente.
siyang the Remullas have nobody eh. Si Boying cannot run. Even if he resigns right now, he cannot run for any position in the next election because that is prohibited under the Ombudsman Act. So si John Vic, kung tatakbong presidente, kinulong nila si Bong Revilla eh. Si Bong
Paano
Revilla
na Cavite?
can coalesce with Bambol Tolentino. So somebody, pag nawala ang Cavite, matagal na nilang ang Cavite.
Cavite, right.
They will not lose. I'm sure that Boying will tell John Vic, tumakbo ka ng governor.
Okay. Wow. Good. Okay, Sara mamaya na. Benji Magalong. Mayor.
Magulong kausap.
Magulong kausap, ha? O parang Cannon Road ba yan? Maraming pasikat.
Dapat nga sinabi ko, Kenan Road. Oo nga.
Parang gano'n. Okay, Mayor Vico Soto.
Pwedeng presidente yan.
Pwedeng presidente. Okay. Ito na. Dito na tayo. Sara Duterte.
Masyadong, meron man tinatawag, kung lalaki mag-ginoong bastos, meron man tawag na mag-ginang bastos.
Maghinang bastos. Medyo na lang. Medyo. Okay. Digong Duterte.
I wish him well.
We wish him well. And
Wala-
President, all right.
Hindi, pero ano na. I mean, let justice be done. I mean, we have a saying, let justice be done though the heavens fall.
Good.
So yun, kay Digong. Personally, I'm against what he did. And he should account for those crimes.
And President BBM.
I wish he was tougher. There's a word that I describe him. It's called affable. He's very affable. But in situations like now, he has to act tough.
Right.
And people will not follow someone who is affable. People will follow someone who is determined, deliberate,
Parang
and
ano
resolute.
yata no? Parang he needs to have some degree of leadership by fear. Do you think? Well,
Fear or he should show anger.
anger. I think that's better.
Kasi,
Anger,
but
fear.
that's true. Machiavelli said it's better to rule by fear.
Oo
It's better to be feared by your people than loved by your people. Whether
Right.
it's true or not, it depends. But obviously, Duterte ruled by fear.
Yeah, that's true.
Di ba? But he needs to show anger that I am with you, not just by words.
Right.
So that's, I think, what's lacking in President Marcos. But he's been doing, but his heart, I think, barring any revelation of corruption, his heart is in the right place.
Wow.
Wala siyang, at least, his legacy is to make sure that the Marcos name is cleared. Ang problema, hindi yung Marcos name eh. Yung middle name niya, yung Romualdez name. Yun ang nag-ano sa kanya ngayon. Hindi na yung Marcos name.
It's not the Marcos name. It's
The Romualdez name.
That's the first time I heard that, huh? And that's good.